Have Hanna Avenue number 1. First signal has a Western Colonies base. Siemens gate mechanism. Emergency information. 2-track sign. Lights are Western Cone Haze, told by 24-inch lights with the newer logo on it. And I believe Leotech EV series LEDs in them. Western Cone Haze bracket. Bell is a very quiet NEG electronic bell. New gate and Rico LED gate lights. Track view southwest and northeast. And there's this. Second signal. The cantilever is a Rico cantilever. Emergency information, which is at the bottom of the signal. 2-track sign, which replaced a very old cat eye, I believe. Here we have the lights, which are both WRS 8-inch lights on them. WRS bracket. Overhead lights are WRS 8-inch lights. I think I said they were 8-inch lights in that one. And one of them has a Rayco visor. The bell is a WRS mechanical bell. You have the Gigagate mast, a bee that is flying around. WRS base. Safe train gate mechanism. A pinnacle. And a very old gate. And some Rico incandescent gate lights. This is interesting. Right there is the Western Railroad Supply relay case. I want to find a year date. There's south looking towards 56th Street. And right down there is the end of the line. At the end of the line. So this is Hanna Avenue number 1 with a new signal. And here's another look at the old signal. Over and out.